here I go again. This is the doorman piece, and this is the kind of thing that gives doorman a bad name. That little mounting piece broke on the install. I tried taking it apart, gluing it back together. Nope. I'll show you why in just a second. But it's what gives doorman a bad name. Found on the interweb, hopefully it's better, all metal. So that's metal. That mounting point right there is metal. This is metal. Should fit better. Door hasn't been functioning too well, and I tend to think it's maybe because this isn't the one that's in there right now. The doorman one isn't fully secure, so this arm isn't working the way it should. I hope. We'll find out. So just to review, you don't pull these out, the whole latch system, you don't pull these three out, you will struggle getting that handle out. And they are a star tip. What size is that one? Craftsman. I'm looking through the camera. This is hard to see. T30. So T30s. So you can see right here, I tried gluing it back together, and all I really succeeded in doing was gluing it into the door. So that's going to be fun to knock out. Bunch of JB weld everywhere. It should come out. But yeah, that little bit of plastic holding that little brass insert just rips right out. And did that on install. So this has got to go. You see, you've got the lock cylinder take off, the lock cylinder arm, and then this arm, they come off. It's a pain in the butt, but it's not that difficult. It's not that complex. It is difficult, just not complex. A little bit better look at the mess that I made. Didn't work at all. Ratty old lock cylinder, it's held in by that tab. And the tolerances are different since this is all made of plastic. It's thicker, which means I don't trust as well. This didn't seat as well as I wanted. So we'll pull it out. See, it comes right out. And this is a little spring-loaded dealio. I put a lot of lubricant on it last time to get it to freely move again. Let's see if she fits in here like she should. The problem was I put the key in and it pushed it out on this one because it wasn't fully seating. This one seems more like the factory tolerances. Seems to fit neat. Just got to get that bar on, and then boom, put her back together. Let's see if this works. We've got it back in all together, but my primary problem still persists. It won't lock this one. This whole latch system in here is jacked up somehow, and I don't know. I did replace the electrical actuator months ago. It sits inside here. I don't know if I just got a cheap one then, or if I've got a bent rod, one of the rods that go throw rods, maybe it's broken. But I have to play with it like that to get it to lock. So that's a pain in the ass. I love this truck, but I hate the stuff that's falling apart. And I wish I could find someone who knew more than me to figure out why this is like this. And it might be the actuator I put in here is just garbage, and it's not throwing correctly. That's the next step, is to get one that's actually AC Delco, one that's actually a good part. I can tell you, I hate putting these things back in. They're such short little 10mm bolts. It's a pain in the butt. None of it's complex, it's just difficult. All right, that's how you replace a door handle. How many times have I done this now? Too many? Catch you on the next one.